Weather Center. Severe thunderstorm warnings are being issued for portions of Tarrant, Johnson, and Ellis counties. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on wbap. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service is issuing severe thunderstorm warnings for northern Johnson County, southeastern Parker County, southern Tarrant County, and northwest Ellis County until 7:45. Severe thunderstorm was part of a...
What is going on with y'all?
This storm may contain 6 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail.
This is the second time. Gosh, this thing is bugging.
Toward Alvarado and Mansfield by 7:05, Grand Prairie and Venus 7:15, Midlothian by 7:20. Now again, these are big storms underway right now. Severe thunderstorm warnings up until 7:45 for Johnson, Parker, Tarrant, and Ellis counties. All stations affected by this alert are requested to read the preceding message.